What's up, everybody, and welcome one more time to my channel. I'm Crypto B, and you are on my crypto show.
Living life on the blockchain. Look around and everybody's here.
What's up, everybody? So nice to have you guys here today with me. If it's your first time, of course, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and become part of the family here. Like this, you definitely help me to grow my community. Let me see if everything is working fine over here. Really help me. Yeah, it is. Massive news.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money.
I'm liking some of my sounds. I don't know if you guys can hear. Hope you guys can hear that. There's massive news today. Grayscale Bitcoin ETF deadline explodes tonight. Don't miss out. I'm gonna read that news to you guys as well. But before that, of course, I'm gonna let's get into the market and see what's going on. Don't know if you guys can hear me. I tried to find a very nice background, and my background is not very good. I need to get another camera at some point because I don't know if you guys can see me. So nice to have you guys here. Guys, I absolutely love streaming and be here with you guys. It's make my day. So Friday the 13th. Yeah, Friday the 13th. Let me share my screen with you guys here. Wait. Let's see. Let me go in myself as well. I tried coin markup yesterday, but it was not working properly. So how is the market today? Everything here on the right, you guys can see a little bit red. So there is the global market cap is at 1,082,000,000. $1 trillion. It's up actually at 0.3%, and with a volume on the last 24 hours of 60 billion. Wow. Dominance of Bitcoin is 48.2%, is up, and ETH 17.1%, with Paraguay's at 19 ways, with gas fee, right? So let's go into the last 24 hours. We did spoke yesterday about Torchain. Torchain is going, it did an 11.5% up. Was a spike, but on the week it's 9.3% down. On the last 24 hours, Maker did 3.7% up. Curve Dow 3.4% up. Clayton at 3.4% up. IOTA, haven't seen IOTA in a long time. Hello, 2.8%. Little Dow 2.8%. Injective 2.7%. There's some coin going up. And we also talked about Internet Computer yesterday, I think, and it's 1.9% up. I think Internet Computer might do well next cycle. SUI 1.8% up. Phantom, wow, even Phantom, guys. It's been a long time to see you, Phantom, doing at 1.3%. Phantom is at 18 cents. I remember I made some good gains in the last cycle with Phantom. When it was going from a couple of cents to a couple of dollars, so that was quite nice. What else? Polygon 0.9% up. IEV 0.9% up as well. So is Solana. I put a video out today. I don't know if you guys seen that. It's the price prediction for Solana. Solana, Matic, and Quant. I think those tokens have some good potential for the next cycle. Let me go up here. In the last 24 hours, there are some coins that went down. I don't know this coin here. Mantle, MNT, 5.3% down. Rocket Pool, 3.9% down. Uniswap down, BitGet down 2.2, 1.7, Axie Infinity 1.0, Aptos 1.1% down. So there's a lot of coins going down in the markets. Quant that I just spoke as well. Quant is up 0.1%. It's at $85. If everything goes well with Quant, I would say Quant might even go as high as $800 to $1,000 if the global market, if the ETF happens. That should be very interesting to see. Things are about to explode and do very, very well. Some people are saying, are we already on the bull market? What do you guys think? Do you guys think we are already on the bull market? Everything starts to go to,
hold on.
everything starts to go to the moon.
Hold on. We're going to the moon. Hold on.
We're going to the moon. Going to the moon. So eventually, things will start to turn around, and we will see the markets start rising. And guys, in crypto, things can start just like that, and that's the beauty out of it, and that's the importance of us to keep eye on the market, see the news, see what's going on around the crypto space, and make sure that you are not sleeping when that time comes. Of course, let me just go back here to see if you guys can see me. You have not to, let me just open here. One thing that for sure you need to remember is create your moon bag. Make sure that if you are accumulating, right, on projects that you like, in projects that you believe, of course, it's not everything. We have like thousands and thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, but you need to start to see the projects. Oh, I like this project here, or I like that project. Oh, this project did very well on the last cycle. Is this project going to do good again on the following cycle, or this project is going to start to slow and then eventually die out? So which project should you start to accumulate? Which projects have a more potential to do you 50x, 100x? How many x are you expecting to get in the next cycle? So that's the thing we need to start to think about. Is Cardano doing a 10x at least, a 20x? Is Solana doing 10, 20x, 50x? Is it what coins might be bringing you some very nice gains? And that's the importance of keep our eyes open for the ETF if it happens, because if it does happen, guys, we are thinking a lot of money coming to, the amount of volume coming to crypto will be enormous, going to be crazy. And that means every single other altcoins will explode together with eventually with Bitcoin, right? So let me go here. On that same line, talking about ETF and price going up, Ethereum price, according to the crypto beef here, this Diogo Almada Lopez, Ethereum to 8,000. In fact, after we're going to have a look here to see what Ethereum could actually do. Let me just open here already, and then after we're going to go straight to see what to expect. Or because, I mean, in crypto, we should be expecting the unexpected, right? But what we would like to see eventually, potentially, if crypto goes to $10 trillion in global market cap, and then what's the price for Ethereum? So according to this guy here, Ethereum to $8,000 in 2006, Standard Chartered. So let's see, the price of Ethereum could surge to $8,000 by the end of 2006. Remember that Ethereum today, it's sitting at 1,548. So even if it goes to this price, should be very interesting. So can you guys see my screen? Let me see if you guys can see my screen. You guys cannot see my screen, right? I'm reading here and you guys cannot even see my screen. So let me open this here. So now you guys can see my screen. All right. So the price of Ethereum could surge about 8,000 by the end of 2006. A 5-fold jump over its current price of around 1,600, according to a new report by multinational bank Standard Chartered today. The report also cited the growth of Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution as a potential catalyst. Upcoming Ethereum upgrades like proto-dunk sharding could help lower transaction fees on this network, cementing Ethereum's dominance in smart contracts and boosting its price. We need to, I mean, Ethereum gas fee is definitely one of the things that's pushing everybody away from the blockchain, at least from the chain, not from the coin, to be using the chain, because the prices are in the last cycle is ridiculous. Kendrick views that $8,000 target its initial milestone towards the bank previously states long-term valuation range of 26,000 to 35,000 for Ethereum. While that long-term projection assume features use case and revenue streams that haven't materialized yet. Early this year, the crypto analyst has also set a 120,000 price target for Bitcoin. That I agree with you more or less around those price. So let's go back. Let's go straight into this other to check. So for example, here Ethereum now it's at $1,548 with a market cap of 185 billion 101,747,000 dollars. It's a strong sell here on the index. But let's go to here and have a look on investors. So let's see a scenario. So with 17% dominance, all right, with the global market cap at 1 trillion, we are around these prices over here, right? Of $1,400 to $2,000, right? Bitcoin, Ethereum is going more or less around those lines. But if ETF happens, the license for Ethereum ETF was given. So if everything happened the way we expect, and the next bull market eventually becomes the best ever bull market we ever seen, that we are talking like over $6 trillion in the global market capitalization for trillions. We're talking trillions, over $5 to $6 trillion. We are seeing Ethereum around 10,698 to 14,264. That's the price more or less that I am believing that potentially Ethereum will be on the next cycle, meaning right now on this upcoming bull market. According to token metric, that's the price, which I also believe there, with dominance around between 25 and 34% dominance on the Ethereum. But if things goes out of control, and I mean $6 trillion, it's already high. I mean, it's already almost double from the last cycle. The last cycle, we were about closer to $3 trillion, if I'm not wrong, if I'm not mistaken. And getting to 6 trillion, it's doubling. It's double the amount of volume of money we had on the last cycle. So for the next cycle, if everything explodes and we go to eventually 8 to 10 trillion, and then we are talking, this is very like a bullish scenario, right? Like something we never seen before. And then we are talking between 15 and 21,000 per coin, which is very unlikely. But again, in crypto, everything is possible, right? Everything is possible. So that's on the Ethereum side. And if I'll go even farther with Ethereum, let's go even farther with Ethereum. Let me open here for you guys. What if I'm sure my screen here. So what if Ethereum had Bitcoin's market cap of $521 billion? Remember that Bitcoin at the moment have 186 billion. But imagine that's crazy. If Ethereum gets you Bitcoin's market cap, one Bitcoin would be worth around $4,000 today, right? Imagine this. Let's imagine we do 10x on top of that. We are talking 15,000, but that's we are talking 1.1 trillion market cap. That's insane, insane. That's insane. Just for now, if Ethereum does, do you believe Ethereum will do let's say a 10x, maybe a 10x? If Ethereum do a 10x from now, which is possible, right? What we expect to do, we are talking $15,000 per coins, an upside of 896%. It's still a lot. I mean, we would have to go to that very bullish scenario we were talking earlier, right? For Ethereum. All right. One more topic here that I would like to share with you. You guys know what's going on in Israel now, with Hamas and all this terrorist organization, stuff like this. Binance is helping Israel freezing Hamas crypto accounts. The US labels Hamas a terrorist organization subject to Treasury Department sanctions blocking its access to banking. Crypto exchange Binance assists Israeli authorities in freezing crypto accounts affiliated with the Palestinian military group Hamas in the Israel policy report today. So yeah, those things are important to know, to understand, and again, for us to be involved in a sense of know what's going on around, so you know what's happening to the market, where to invest or how to invest, and all that kind of thing, right? So that's why I brought that here today. In another, this is quite fun actually. I brought here Elon Musk. You guys know whatever Elon Musk say, whatever he tweets about, whatever, there is always a trigger reaction of the meme coins. Doge, Shiba, not XRP. So I'm sorry, XRP guys. The XRP army. Where are you guys? So smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and become part of the family over here. So, BTC bulls receive warning from Peter Brandt. ADA eyes 2,000. In fact, I was going to give you some check on ADA eventually here on towards the end of the video as well. So here, Elon Musk's trigger reaction of Doge, Shiba, XRP arms with his post. In a recent philosophic post on his X account, eccentric billionaire. Let's put for this central billionaire, let's put the
emotional damage.
Guys, the guy is centibillionaire. Centibillionaire. I'm just trying to become a crypto millionaire. That's fine for me. Elon Musk, his multi-million person audience. How many times did you die trying to beat hatred before winning? Musk comments section to the post quickly filled with replies, the number of which has almost surpassed 19,000. Among those who shared their opinion with the tech tycoon were most known representative of the popular crypto community, such as Dogecoin co-founder and Shiba Inu marketing expert. So whatever Elon will speak or tweet about will always trigger a reaction on Doge and Shiba. In fact, I put on my Twitter. Where am I Twitter here? Let me check because I have only one screen. Share my Twitter. I post today on my Twitter here. Where is it? Here. You guys can go there and vote as well. So it says, for the next bull market, we are having a battle of the dogs. All right, I have a battle of the dogs. Doge or Shiba. So Doge army, Shiba army, other meme coins if you prefer. Write in the comments. There's people writing in the comments here. No, we hate. And I went, I don't like meme coins. So people are voting here. You guys can vote on that to check. And yes, we are live here. We are live. We're live. After I'll come back here to my X account. So not that. Let's go here. Cardano. Remember I talk about Cardano, and let me bring this here for you guys as well. I would like to show you guys what if Cardano had a market cap of Bitcoins. Let's see if I manage to add here Bitcoins. Okay, let's change that around. Great. So where are you guys? Here. Cardano unveiled new progress reports as analysts predict 2,500% rise in ADA price. How far do you guys believe Cardano will do in the next markets? Let me go here, find Cardano as well, because I'm going to do a future prediction here in a Cardano. So, in a revelation today, Cardano, the blockchain project known as ADA token, released its weekly development report. The report comes hot on the heels of bold prediction by analyst Ali Martinez, who suggests that ADA could experience a staggering 2,500 surge in value, while Cardano currently trades at 24 cents. 24 cents matter as a drop. Potential breakthrough as early as December. Wow. Projecting ADA price to reach a $6 within 1 year. Wow. What do you guys think about that? Well, what I can say is if, but that's a big if. Cardano had the Bitcoin market cap of 521 billion. One Cardano would be worth at $14. So all those people that have been saying that Cardano will go to $800, $500, maybe in the future, guys, maybe in 10 years. But as we see it, we think now Cardano is at 8 billion market cap, right? 8 billion market cap. To go to 500 billion, it's a long way to go. But could Cardano do a 10x in the next bull market? In order for that to happen, that would be an 897% upside. 897% upside, and puts Cardano at 886 billion market cap. For the price of Cardano to go to $2.46. That's a long way to go. The guy said about, well, to do a 19x, Cardano need to go to about 172 billion market cap, which is possible because Cardano have a very strong community, right? And Cardano, I like Cardano. I think Cardano is it's a project for long term. So if you are a crypto investor and you are in Cardano for the long term, I like Cardano. I think Cardano is a nice project. For me, it's a long-term project. Okay, so there is some coins, there is some projects in crypto that you always see for the long term, guys. Like whoever was in Bitcoins right from the beginning, right? If they believed for the long term, do you remember when just suddenly a lot of people became crypto millionaires because Bitcoin was so high? Was people who believed in projects and they stayed in for the long term. But of course, always remember to take out your profit.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money.
So you need to take out your profit, and that's a fact. Okay. So Cardano here today, Cardano is at 24 cents. If you're in the long term, you might see Cardano. Wow, it's a good price, right? And there is a buy here, strong buy on the index here. We already talked about the market cap of 8 billion. Strong, interesting scenarios here for Cardano is if goes where I believe it will go either way. I believe that the next bull market, we might get closer to $5 or $6 trillion of market cap for the global market cap, trillions for crypto, for the global crypto. Okay, if we do that, we can see Cardano around $5. Yes, I think so. If things get even exciting, maybe even $7, $11, right? So, but that means the Cardano's dominance have to go to 7.87 dominance, meaning today it's at 0.79. We imagine that we need to be at 7.87 in order to be at $11 if the global market cap it's around 5 trillion, which is possible by what we hear, by the emotion of the market, emotion, right? The emotion. But what about if it goes ballistic and really, really, really bullish to $10 trillion market cap global? And then we can see even getting closer to 20, 15, 20, $20 per Cardano. That is very interesting, especially when you check here at 24 cents. And again, if you are in crypto for the long run, correct? What else? We also talked about Shiba a little bit with this news here of Elon Musk. Shiba Inu could see 33 price rebound as early lows looms. Guys, when we start to see a lot of news, crypto content creators start to talk about this coin's gonna be bullish, that coin's gonna start to be bullish, that's, my God, this start to be bullish. People are starting to get excited. Let me find a song for excited. People start to get excited. And this bring me memories of good bull markets, right? So start to bring good memories of bull markets. So Shiba Inu could see 33% price rebound. Do you guys like to see Shiba Inu as well? Let me just, before finishing here the news, let me just put there so you guys can see as well that maybe Shiba Inu price has decreased since August when it was rejected by a long-term descending resistance trend line. The weekly and daily RSI are both below 50. The price action from both timeframes also suggests that the trend is bearish. Despite the bearish, Shiba prediction reclaim the 508 horizontal support area can lead to a significant price bounce. Interesting. Let's see here. Let me see if I find Shiba here. Shiba Inu, that's Shiba Inu, that's great. Okay, I need to share this tab as well, or you guys not gonna be able to see me. So let me go back there. Yeah, you guys can see, I think. Yeah, you guys can see, all is good. So as you can see here, there's a strong sell, strong sell, right? But let's see, investors, let's go into have a look to scenario if it's bullish or not. Well. Do you know what fascinates me about Shiba and Dogecoin is that despite we being in a bear market for over a year now, right? They're still bloody top 10, 15 in the rank of market cap. Let me check exactly the number they are. Doge is number 10, and Shiba is now is rank 18. Wow. I mean, they might do good. They might do good, guys. I don't know. They might do good. I mean, they're still there. They're still there. I mean, they are in front. I'll tell you why. They are meme coins. They are in front. Doge coins are in front of Polkadot. They're in front of Polygon. They are in front of Bitcoin Cash. They are Shiba is in front of Chainlink. So you know what? Just keep your eyes open for it. Just keep your eyes open for it. If we get to 5 trillion global market cap, and let's say in a very bullish scenario, we might see going back to the all-time high. I think it was about what? No, it wasn't this, right? But we might see 301. Not bad. 501s. That's going up a lot. That's going up a lot. Let me check here. Shiba. How many? Where are we? Should I write? Let's see. Yeah, Shiba. Shiba, let me tell you guys, actual here, if it does 10x, I have to do 20x. To get to that price that we see there, to 301, have to do about 20x, 19x. That means market cap of 8,000, 80 billion, and would get to a price of 301. Wow. I don't know. With meme coins, because they intend to explode, because the communities are so strong. That's maybe is possible. We don't know. But I mean, if you like meme coins and you like to have some exposure to it, I guess $100 will not kill you. But how much would be $100? Nah, $100, I guess. Nah, I suppose. I don't know if you guys like, I suppose. All right, and let's get to this new here, because this new here is the actually topic of the video, right? I need to do a different thumbnail. That thumbnail was terrible. SEC deadline on Grayscale Bitcoin's ETF dispute approaching at midnight. The agency has hours left to seek an appeal of the court order to erase its rejection of Grayscale Trust to ETF conversion application. Do you think they're going to do it, or they're going to let it run? The final hours are ticking. Do I have a ticking? I don't have a ticking. This is Gary Gensler. And Gary Gensler, I'm going to give him a sound. That's Gary Gensler. One more time. The final hours are ticking for an appeal of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, its dispute with Grayscale Investments over establishing a spot Bitcoin. Guys, crypto, we are unstoppable. Unstoppable.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money.
So, industry observers are widely expect the SEC to let the deadline run out because the DC Circuit Court of Appeal decision 45 days ago was clear and even harsh its assessment of how the agents declined the application, calling it arbitrary and capricious, and saying that a regulator was inappropriately trying to treat a spot ETF differently than a similar future ETF. However, as the SEC is forced to rethink the Grayscale efforts, it technically has the authority to further extend the dispute if the commission wants to find fault with other aspects of the application. At stake, it was what could be an easily traded mainstream investment product focused on Bitcoins. The industry hopes a spot ETF will bring investors in from the sidelines. Grayscale first applied for its GBTC closed-end fund, currently with roughly 17 billion in assets under management, to be converted into a spot Bitcoin ETF in October 2021. Grayscale, a unit of Digital Currency Group, which is also the parent of CoinDesk, isn't alone in pursuing of this approval. High-profile financial firms, including BlackRock and Fidelity, are also waiting SEC words on the application for spot Bitcoins ETFs. GBTC remains operationally ready to convert to an ETF appropriate regular approval. SEC spokesman didn't immediately respond to a request from the comments. Even in a victory of the ETF application, plenty of questions remain as to when the first product would go online and whose it would be. The approvals required from SEC are widely ranged and involve multiple division at the agents, and it's unclear whether the agents would approve several applications at once or proceed on a timeline based on when applications come in. As for the makers, experts are guessing that SEC eventual approval of if the ETF is a list partially priced in. Well, I believe that this is the ETF, guys, for Bitcoin is unstoppable, literally unstoppable. Let me take this out. I don't see this all-star thing here. Let me go back to my Twitter. The ETF, guys, is unstoppable, and when that actually happens, the amount of volume that will come into the market is unbelievable, and that, of course, will bring everything up. All the price, all the coins, guys, we get a point into the market that everything is crazy. Let me try to find something for you guys. Seasons. Let me see if I find this. Where is it? It's very interesting. Is the in fact, if I cannot find here right now, when I find, I will post on my X profile, so you guys can have a look. Very, very interesting. Very, very nice. And you guys will be able to follow the cycle in how everything runs and which stage we are actually in. Like this, you can prepare yourself. So it's very interesting. I like that a lot. But I cannot find. I will find again. It's somewhere on my profile, but I cannot find it here. I will have a look. I will try to find, and I will post there so you guys can check that out. Very interesting. Very good for you guys to keep eyes on that cycle, and of course, be able to measure when you go in or out of the market. All right, guys, thanks for staying with me until now. It's great. I hope you guys enjoyed the video today, and I'll see you guys on the next video, or maybe in another stream. Ciao.